Hey folks, let me tell you about a mind-blowing discovery that has left scientists and historians alike in awe. This revelation is not just a simple find, it's a piece of history that has been hidden away for decades, only to resurface now in the most unexpected way. This incredible discovery links back to the Cold War, a period marked by intense geopolitical tension between the United States and the Soviet Union. During this time, both superpowers were engaged in a fierce competition, not just on Earth, but also in the realms of space and technology. Back in April 2024, NASA made a remarkable find while studying climate change effects in Greenland. The team was initially focused on understanding how the melting ice sheets were contributing to rising sea levels, a critical issue in our fight against climate change. During their research, they stumbled upon an underground base called Camp Century. This wasn't just any base. It was a relic from a bygone era, hidden beneath layers of ice and snow. Now you might be wondering, what's Camp Century? Why is it so significant, and what does it have to do with the Cold War? Well, it's a Cold War-era U.S. military base buried under the ice about 150 miles inland. This base was part of a top-secret project known as Project Iceworm, which aimed to test the feasibility of deploying nuclear missiles from the Arctic. Built between 1959 and 1967, this base was initially designed for testing nuclear missile launches in the Arctic. The idea was to create a network of mobile nuclear missile launch sites that could be hidden beneath the ice, making them difficult for the Soviet Union to detect. However, the project faced numerous challenges, including the harsh Arctic conditions and the instability of the ice. As a result, it was later abandoned and forgotten, left to be buried by the ever-accumulating snow and ice. Fast forward to 2024, NASA's Uninhabited Aerial Vehicle Synthetic Aperture Radar, or UAVSAR for short, detected this hidden base. This advanced radar technology is capable of penetrating ice and snow, revealing what lies beneath. It was mounted on a Gulfstream III aircraft, keeping an eye on ice sheet melting and its impact on sea levels. The data collected by this radar is crucial for understanding the dynamics of ice melt and its implications for our planet. Imagine this. An entire base now buried under 100 feet of ice and snow. But that's not all. The discovery of Camp Century has opened up a Pandora's box of questions and concerns. This discovery also brings up some serious environmental concerns. The base was not just a military installation, it was also a site where various experiments were conducted, some of which involved hazardous materials. You see, Camp Century contains radioactive waste and chemical pollutants. These materials were left behind when the base was abandoned, and they have been trapped in the ice ever since. And with climate change causing the ice to melt, these hazardous materials could resurface by the end of the century. This poses a significant risk to the environment and to human health, as these pollutants could enter the ocean and spread globally. This isn't just a relic of the past, it's a stark reminder of the long-lasting impact of human activities on our planet. The remnants of the Cold War are still with us, hidden beneath the ice, waiting to be uncovered. It's a ticking environmental time bomb. The potential release of these hazardous materials could have devastating consequences for the Arctic ecosystem and beyond. The data gathered from this discovery will help scientists understand more about polar ice melt and its global implications. It will also inform future policies and actions to mitigate the impact of climate change and protect our environment. So next time you think about the Arctic, remember it isn't just a vast expanse of ice. It's a region filled with hidden secrets, both natural and man-made, that have the power to shape our understanding of history and our approach to the future. Underneath, it holds secrets of our history and perhaps our future. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay curious and keep exploring the unknown.